Today's video is going to be a quick cleaning video on the tires, and I'm going to show you a little secret that I've been using as a waterless wash for tires. Using a rinseless wash and a multi-purpose cleaner together, you can just kind of spray it. If you want to scrub it, you can scrub it and then wipe it clean. No rinsing needed. I'll show you a cheat code that I've used for a long time now, and this is more for us rinseless, waterless guys. But if you have these products, this is the way to do it. So American Detailer Garage, they have Wipeout. That's a higher pH than usual rinseless wash. It's like a pH of 9. All right, so it's got a great cleaner to it. I got an ounce in here. I have F-Bomb. All right, this is their it's kind of their multi-purpose cleaner, as it says. I've got an ounce right here. So an ounce of each, and I'm going to put them into 500 milliliters, or let me just say 16 ounces of water. An ounce of each into 16 ounces of water. I'm going to use this solution for a little bit higher cleaning power as a waterless. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to clean tires with it, and then I'm going to apply Unity. So it's kind of a fast cleaning solution you can keep in your water bottle. You don't need to rinse this off. You can just use a towel and in your spray bottle here with the two products. So let me show you how this works. All right, I've got my 16 ounces of water. Let's throw in our F-Bomb. All right, and then let's grab our ounce here. A little under 40, that's 30 milliliters. A little under 40 there. Ounce of Wipeout. Now this is one heck of a solution here. If you dilute this up a lot, I mean, this will go a long way. You could actually clean interiors. You can clean a lot of things, but I want this a little bit stronger because we're going to clean the wheels there. And I mean, you could clean the whole wheel. I'm just going to show you because my point in this video is to clean the tires, and I want to use Unity, and I'm going to use this as a quick cleaning solution or a quick detailer for the tires. Here's the tires. You know, this is not going to make these as good as using a dedicated tire cleaner and rinsing and all that, but this is going to be a quick cleaner, and you could actually do it on the wheels as well. All right, so let's shake up our product there. Let me spray some out, get it going. All right, let's take a before, couple picks here, spray this down. And I might as well just clean the whole thing, right? I know that's what you're thinking. Give me a brush here. We'll just use any brush. We'll do it real quick. Just to get a little bit of agitation going. We'll get a dirty wheel towel. I'm gonna start with the rims, the wheel faces. Now mind you, we have a rinseless wash at 1 to 15 ounces mixed with an ounce of F-Bomb, which is a multi-purpose cleaner, because there's grease involved in tires and tar, stuff from the streets. But we're just using this as a deeper cleaning solution, waterless wash. And now let's wipe this tire. And you might have to do a tire, depending on how dirty it is. You might have to do it twice, but step back. We'll let that dry, and I'll be back. Okay guys, let's take a look at this. You can see it, everything looks decently clean. We're doing this on the fly. This is not a super deep cleaning, but it is clean enough. You know, this is for your fast, rinseless washing. So now we get the Unity. Let's put it on. We'll go in. We'll put it on one large swipe, and then we can go back around the inside. And then we'll do the outside. And any spots you've missed in between or around the wheel, I mean, guys, that's fast. That looks good. Let me take some pictures here. That's pretty good. What do you guys think there, huh? Good enough? Nice, fast, easy. All right, guys, so that's it. Real simple video today. We got a couple products from American Detailer Garage. The cleaner as a waterless wash, ounce of F-bomb, ounce of wipeout into 16 ounces of water. Mix it up, spray it on the wheels, wash them however you want to do, scrub the tires, whatever. Wipe them off, use a wheel towel for that, all right? Now, once you're done with that, you're gonna grab your American Detailer Garage Unity, put it on your applicator and wipe it in. You're done, that's it. Move around all four wheels. You know, this is a fast solution, guys. And I'm all about being lazy and fast. Sure, you can take out some real wheel cleaner and scrub 4 times and get all your browning out and all that. I don't have time for that. I don't care about all that. This looks good. This can last me a few weeks easily, and I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thanks for watching.